Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. Today we'll be discussing how to create an Angular app and how to incorporate new features step by step. So this is not only going to help you create a singular Angular app, but it will also help you learn the language specific things and Angular specific things one by one. So let's start our journey. Let me just open a terminal and I'm going to create a new folder. Let me just check if the folder exists. Yeah. So the command is ng-new and the name of the solution which I'm going to create and the project is Skill Showcase. So let me just start creating it. It's taking a while. Okay, so we are going to select as CSS, and as we are not going to enable the server-side rendering for this, so I'll be choosing no. So it will take a while to create the app. Okay, so the app have been like completed. So let's just navigate to that specific folder, and I'm going to open it in VS Code. So let's just write type code dot space dot, and then let me just open it up. Okay, we need to open the terminal. The shortcut for the terminal is this control tilde, and let me just type ng. We are going to use npm over here, not ng. Npm run start. So this is not just going to build the app, but it is also going to start a server as well. So let me just clear that. It's going to take a while. Okay, so just one thing. Okay, so it's going to build the app. Okay, so you can see over here. Let's just click on this, and we do have an Angular app ready over here. So we have created the basic Angular app, and it's a boilerplate code. Okay, so we have created that app, and this is the boilerplate code which we are going to use to build our application on top of this, like you can say a baseline. So hopefully we are good till here. So we'll start with a new video to add further pages, which is going to be the bare bones for the showcase skill application. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for your time. Bye.